Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to my vlog. You're probably wondering why am I sitting there with this box and it's a car channel. Well, it's a car channel, but this is also for my car. So today I just want to do a quick unboxing of a new Android radio that I bought for my car. Just want to do a little upgrade in there, you know. Android OS evolves every year, and the radio I have in my car right now is actually an older Android, so I decided to get a newer one with a newer Android. Maybe it runs a little bit fluent more, you know. So this is it, guys. Okay, so I bought this off Amazon. It wasn't all that expensive, very affordable, you know. It's this one is called Haudio. I can't pronounce this, but if you can see, guys, that's the brand. And it also is 360, which basically you can turn horizontal or portrait mode, whichever way you decide to use it in your car. So that's it, guys. I'll probably put a link in the description where you can find it at Amazon. It comes with Android 13. Alright, so here we go, guys. This is the only thing I kind of disappointed in receiving this box was that it comes exactly as you see it. I'm opening it here. This is the first thing I'm actually ordering on Amazon, and it comes without a package aside from the official box. Right, so it was open just like that, just like that. So I was a bit disappointed, but when I look in the box, I realized that everything is in there. So first of all, you get your manual. It's in a few different languages. English, important. You also get the connection to the radio, and that you can splice into your car. Alright, so this is one set of wiring you have for your arms. You have USB, and this is your GPS connector, and then this is for power, your power card, and your constant, and your speaker wires. Alright, so that's it. And you also get a little bag here with some screws. I get these screws are for installing the bracket inside your dash here. Alright. So this is what comes in the box, guys. Alright, so this is your radio. It's a 10.1 inch screen, and basically it comes separated from the section that you put into the dash. Alright, so before I get into that, so this is the back of your radio, and it's just like any other Android radio. As a matter of fact, what I'm looking at right now is that the one I have in there, basically all what is here is just what is in the older one. So I probably don't even bother pull up and just plug in. Alright, but you get a tray that you install inside your, this is actually a single DIN radio that comes out to a double DIN screen. Alright, so those of you guys who only have like a single DIN section, this is perfect for you. Alright. Comes with a tray that you install into your dash, and then, you know, slide this, which is a radio, in there, which locks it. I think this pin is what you use to pull a certain section of it if you end up going to be uninstalling it back from your radio. But once you get it in, then basically it stays in like that. And then, guys, you know. Alright, so as I said, it's a 360 rotation radio. So right now, this is how you'll be setting it in your car. This is the top, and you see that section under the radio, the back of the radio will now slide into there, and that's how it's at. So basically, you can watch your stereo like that, which like if you're using your map or whatever app you're using, you can use it like that, or you can also turn it and watch it like that. Now this is how much it's protrude from your dash. So if you install the radio inside your dash section, this is how much it goes in. And basically you can also slide the radio up or down to your fitting, to your liking. Right? You can let it stay in the middle. And guys, what I realized is that this inch that is here, which basically turns it, and it can turn all the way around, right round. So it's a 360. So basically you can just be turning it as to your liking, right? And also when it turns, you can also lean it to whatever angle you want to angle it. Okay? And what I realized is that this inch here, this section here, is pretty tight. So it's not a mechanical thing where it goes with power until, well, as a matter of fact, I don't yet install it in my radio, as you can see, but I'm thinking it's just manually turning. But it's very, 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 very stiff, guys. So it's not like you're gonna be having any plays once you have it installed in your car. You can also tilt it to your liking based on how much you want it to, to flow with the dashboard. All right. So that is it, guys. As I said, it comes with, I don't get look in the book, but this is what it comes with: a 32 gig storage, a 2 gig RAM. It comes with Android Auto, and if you have an iPhone, also whatever that is, and it's also wireless, so you can connect your phone to your radio just like that. So guys, this is a quick unboxing of my new radio. I'll be installing it in the car, and then I'll show you how it fits in, how it looks. Alright guys? Okay guys, so here's the radio now that I installed into the car. Alright, so as I was explaining in the unboxing, it's a 360 degree rotation radio, so you can basically rotate it that way or that way. Alright, so that's the stock launcher on it, and when it's rotate, you basically can now view all your apps in the portrait mode. Alright, so for instance, if you were to go into video, and you know your video start like that, but you know video is normally best watched in the horizontal way. Okay, so that's one of the app. But as I said, there's a lot of apps that you can basically use this way. But this is it, guys. This is the stock launcher that comes on it, and in the app drawer you have your different apps that you'll be using. All right. So basically, that's the portrait way, and then you turn, and basically it also turns with you like that. So knowing me, I'm not going to be staying around with this launcher. My favorite launcher, as you can see from one of my previous videos, is the Car Web Guru launcher. So I also installed that already, and basically I'm using it. And as you know, the Car Web Guru launcher gives you a lot of options where you can customize to your liking. So yes guys, this is my new radio. I'll be using it in this form because I like this form. you know, it's just fitting to my dashboard setting. I like it, you know, and I can also position it to just face me, or if my passenger is watching it, can basically fit in the watch to face them. So it's very flexible, and right now I turn it like that, and I like that way, you know. So I do have all my apps just the same, you know. Get back to home, and within my home I have a few different settings also. I have the map there, I have my speedometer and my app drawer, just the same, you know. They're all, I like this setting. Yeah, whenever I'm watching like YouTube or I'm watching a video, then basically I can turn it that way around, but just for driving purpose I prefer this one.